What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to research ETFs using Google Finance. This is super easy to do. Now once you're on Google Finance guys, and this is super easy to actually google.com guys, and once you sign into your Google account you can quickly click the Google apps here and just scroll on to Finance, open up the Google Finance from here. Now you can see here at the top that it shows some categories, or you can also use the search, and as you can see it says ETFs there as well. So what I recommend to you, if you click the search and you're not finding ETFs, just simple type in the word ETF, and once you type that in you will be able to see the category appeared from the top here. So just simple click on ETF and you'll be able to see those different ETF. Now you can always go ahead and click or add each of them. If you have, for example, a watch list, you can click on them and you can add them or you can open them. So let me go ahead and take, for example, this ETF. You can go ahead and you can click on it and you can go ahead and you can, let's say, check it. You can compare it to another ETF. You can check the historical data, what it looks like in the last month, in the last year, in the last 5 year. You can compare these as well. So if you want to compare two ETFs, you can also click on the compare button on the lower left hand side and just simple type in ETF as well. Once you type in that, you'll find other ETFs that you can easily compare to. So I'm going to click on the ETF section here, and then I'm going to compare it to, for example, the S&P 500 feeder here. So I'm going to click on this one as an example, and as you can see, I am currently comparing these two. And that's how you can easily go ahead and research ETFs using Google Finance, guys. Very easy and very simple. If you want to learn more, you can scroll on and you can find news on the right hand side. If you open up any one of those, you can find specific news related to it, and you can also go ahead and see additional data once you click on a specific ETF. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.